If you've been looking for a way to edit your short video clips more efficiently, Descript's video editor is a game changer. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to use Descript's video editor to cut down, clean up, and refine your clips like a pro, even if you've never used the software before. Stick with me to the end because I'm going to show you some advanced tips that will make your editing process even quicker. And as a bonus, you can access this software for free from the first link below, along with some exclusive bonuses. Descript's video editor is known for its ease of use, and you can start editing right away without needing to learn complicated tools. It's also perfect for short clips, whether you're editing a social media post, creating a YouTube short, or cutting a podcast highlight. Once you sign into Descript, you'll see a simple interface that's incredibly intuitive. To start editing, just drag your video file into the project area. One of the best features is its transcription service, which automatically transcribes your video into text. This transcription serves as the backbone of your editing process. Instead of dragging clips around on a timeline, you can literally edit the text and the video will update in real time. That means you can delete, move, or trim parts of your video just by editing the words. For instance, let's say you're editing a short clip for social media. You don't need to scrub through the whole video to find the part you want to cut. Simply locate the text corresponding to the section of the video you want to remove, delete it, and Descript will automatically trim the video for you. This is super time efficient for those fast turnaround edits, and it works perfectly for short, snappy clips. Next, let's talk about adding text or captions to your video. Descript's tool for this is incredibly simple. Just highlight the text and you can add captions, titles, or even subtitles. If you need to adjust the timing, it's just a drag and drop, so no more spending hours aligning text with the audio. Another cool feature is the ability to add transitions or audio effects. You can easily smooth the flow of your clips by applying transition effects, which are especially useful when creating short videos that need to keep viewers engaged. You can also adjust audio levels, remove background noise, and clean up any sound issues, ensuring that your short clips sound as professional as they look. If you're creating content for platforms like YouTube or Instagram, Descript's video editor makes it easy to export your videos in the correct format. You can customize the aspect ratio, whether you're working with 16:9 for YouTube or a square format for Instagram. Now, if you want to take things a step further, Descript also offers a unique feature called Overdub, which lets you correct or add dialogue to your video by typing it out. It's like having an AI voice actor in your back pocket, saving you time on re-recording parts of your video. Descript is great for short clips, especially because of how streamlined and efficient it makes the editing process. Whether you're cutting down a long video or cleaning up sound, you'll be done in no time, and the interface ensures it's not overwhelming. Now remember, you can access Descript for free from the link below, and with my exclusive offer, you'll also get an extended trial period to explore all the features. If you're serious about taking your video editing to the next level, don't miss this opportunity. Thanks for watching, and happy editing.